Wagwan. Them people over there. Jano. Right now, 4:50. 4:50. When you see you outside dark, I have to hold up the phone because not even have the phone on some charger. I have to plug it in. I turn on my lighter. See if you can see what I go on. Alright, don't see you outside dark. Right now at 4:50, right? 4:50. But you see in America, yeah? And not even that I come to talk about it. But you are gone. You see, you have to share information because don't assume that somebody knows something because you know it. And in contrast, never think you know it all because there was a time that you did not know what you know now. The great Malcolm X himself. Right? Alright, let me finish so I say before we jump into it. You see outside, right now outside look dark and at 4:50. You see in America, yeah, some state, most state in America, them have what you call daylight saving time or DST. DST. Right? Dog, star, truck. DST. Yeah, so anyway you see that you know so that it means daylight saving time. Right? What that means is that them set the clock forward 1 hour so them get more time in the evening time. Yeah? In comparison to daylight saving time, you have standard time. Standard time where them are going to set back the clock to the normal position. Yeah? So you find out say in a summertime, because of winter now. Yeah? And like, you know, say Jamaica, when we have summer, people go school and, you know, the whole work. And then we have the next period now where, you know, say a school time. I use a simple example. In America, the different season them call one of them spring, them call one of them fall, and them call one of them winter. We get that right? Yeah, I think we get that right. Spring, fall, summer, winter. Right? So in a winter time now, you have shorter daylight. Right? So that's go on right now. That's why outside so dark. But make we talk about it a little bit now. Why that happen? Why that happen? And yo, you know, so me just say America and remember something. You know, say in a Jamaica, you have the perception say America, and America and the US and the USA and United States of America. Some people think they're a different country them. And a different country. All of them something there are the same place. USA is United States of America. Right? And for shorten it, them say America. Right? So is America, and you have 50 states coming together, and them say the states them united. Right? So them call it United States of America. Right? And them shorten it and call it America. And Jamaica, country style, they say America. You understand? So at the same place. Yeah? But you see, we have to share information and knowledge with each other. Yeah? Because the ultimate goal is for people get more knowledge and understanding of things and how things work. And we will put them in a better awareness, better situation. You understand? So we could talk about the daylight saving time and the standard time. Alright, so daylight saving time. Where that come from? Daylight saving time I come from World War One. World War One. Who can tell me which year that happened now? Yeah, which year? World War One. 1918. The US adapt daylight saving time. And the Germans them do it first. The Germans them do it first. But why them do it is because you gotta realize them is a big proponent of history. Yeah, me's a lifelong student, but history is something I really get zoned into. Yeah? I love history. Yeah? A people without knowledge of their roots is like a people without knowledge of who they are is like a tree without roots. Me almost forget it. How me forget that? A people without knowledge of their past, their history, is like a tree without roots. Who said that? The great one, Marcus Garvey. Yeah? So, daylight saving time, as me that say, the US adapt it, right? In a World War One. Why them adapt it? Because them did want to conserve energy. You get what me I say? So them I say, yo, if we set the clock forward, we are gonna have little more time. We are gonna have little more time. Yeah, in the evening. Yeah, and people in supporting the war effort, them get to go home and them have an extra hour them can plant them vegetable and rare to support the war effort. Yeah, so that's so the real history. And people have different points where them say, no, I know this is start from no. But from all indications, from everything when we read, yeah, and see, this is where it come from. Daylight saving time in the US, yeah. But remember, I know all US states adapt daylight saving time. Like Arizona. I don't think Arizona set them